Hi there, and welcome to another Woodstock Public Library how-to video. My name is Ellen, and today we're going to learn how to mend jeans. I know many folks out there find that their jeans end up with holes in them or have worn down areas from regular wear and tear. So, today I'll show you a great method to mend them. This method is actually a Japanese style of mending called Shashiko, and is used for reinforcement and decoration. It can be used to reinforce those worn out spots or patch up holes, and can add a fun, visible pop of color. It can also be done in a way that is practically invisible. So, get your jeans out, and then grab the rest of your supplies, which include your needle and some pins, scissors, thread, and fabric to patch up your hole. To start, cut the fabric you are patching with just larger than the hole you're mending, somewhere between ½ an inch to an inch. Then, place the patch inside your pants, centering it under the hole. Now, secure it with pins on the outside of the pants. Once you have the patch securely pinned, stitch around the perimeter to hold the patch in place. You can use what is called a basting stitch, which is basically just a long stitch. Don't tie off your thread, as these stitches are temporary. Now, remove the pins. There are lots of styles of Shashiko stitches, but I'm just going to do easy rows of running stitches. Sew a row of stitches starting from the inside of your jeans, making sure they're going through your patch. When you reach the other end, move your needle a little bit, and from below again, start your next row. You can try to keep your stitches about the same size, but it's okay if some are longer or shorter than others. If you prefer to have your stitches all the same length and size, you could use chalk to draw them on first and use that as a template. This can take some time, so leave yourself lots of time to finish your sewing. Keep going until you've got the entire area of the patch covered. Then, from the inside of your jeans, tie off the thread. This will make sure that your stitches stay put and don't fall out. Now, remove your original basting stitches. Your newly patched jeans are now ready to show off. If you'd rather not have your patch visible, use a denim patch and thread that matches. Personally, I like a colored patch, and as your jeans wear out, you can add more and more color. To learn more about mending your own clothing, check out these books from the library. Mending Life, a handbook for repairing clothes and hearts by Nina and Sonia Montenegro. Joyful Mending, visible repair for the perfectly imperfect things we love by Noriko Misumi. And Wear, Repair, Repurpose, a maker's guide to mending and upcycling clothes by Lily Fulop. Thank you for joining me, and have a great night.